In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Cursor AI plan. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confirm your subscription with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Cursor AI. This is the quickest way to get to the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. When the results appear, take a second to identify the legitimate website. Look for the official domain, check for the secure padlock in the address bar, and avoid look-alike links or sponsored results that don't clearly indicate the official brand. Once you've located the correct result, click through to the official Cursor AI website. From the home page, find and select the Sign In option. Use your normal sign-in method and complete your standard login process. As always, make sure you're entering your credentials only on the official site and never share passwords or codes anywhere else. After you're signed in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here, navigate to the plan options. You should see the plan you're currently on and the available upgrades. Take a moment to review the plans so you're choosing the one that fits your needs. Consider features, usage limits, and whether the pricing is monthly or annual if that's shown. When you're confident in your choice, click the Upgrade button on the plan you want. A new tab or checkout window will open. In this secure checkout, you can either authenticate to use your existing payment details or enter your payment information manually. If you have saved billing details with the payment provider, signing in can speed things up. If not, carefully type in your card and billing information, ensuring everything is accurate. Keep your financial details private and only provide them within the secure checkout page. Before you proceed, review the fees displayed on the left sidebar. Confirm the plan name, billing frequency, currency, taxes, and any prorated amounts if you're upgrading mid-cycle. This is your chance to make sure the total matches your expectations and there are no surprises. When everything looks correct and you're confident in your selection, click Subscribe. Allow a moment for the payment to process. You should see a confirmation screen indicating that your upgrade was successful, and your dashboard will reflect the new plan. That's it. Simple and secure. You searched for Cursor AI, chose the official site, signed in, selected your plan, verified your payment details, double-checked the fees, and clicked Subscribe. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your upgraded Cursor AI plan.